Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, we are going to discuss about an interesting AI tool, which is having AI chatbot, AI templates and different types of AI writing options, and also it is having clone options also. So let us go on to today's video and explore the AI tool and how it will helpful for our academic writing. Before that, an important announcement from our channel is that we are going to conduct an online workshop on conference and journal paper writing using AI tool. The main objective of this workshop is to familiarize you all with different AI tools useful for research paper writing, and also we are going to explore different types of research prompts in ChatGPT and how to bring out better content out of ChatGPT for our research paper writing. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. The important thing is that I am going to show you a live research paper writing using different kind of AI tools. So if you are interested and curious to know about the best AI tools available in the market, especially for academic writing, so don't forget to register our online workshop. See you on our workshop. Moving on to our today's video, the AI tool what we are going to discuss today is that, so here you can see Witlly AI. So this is a as like many of the AI tool having the same kind of template, so it is also the same kind. So and also the unique thing about this Witlly AI is that there are more number of templates are available in this Witlly AI, and also a new option is added called AI voice clone option. So these are the two important options. Other than this, there is a normal option which many of the AI tools have. So first we will explore the what are the AI writing templates are available. So for that, first you have to click this AI writer. So in this you will be having different types of options starting from favorite, YouTube, writer, website, voiceover, social media, languages, fitness or health, entertainment, email, e-commerce, development, customer service, custom, business, blog, advertising, advertisement, academic. So these are the different options. As far as our area is concerned, so we have to concentrate on academic as well as writer. So first I am going to choose the option called academic. So in this academic you will be having different options like cover letter, math questions, bullet point answers, academic essay, thesis statement, proofreading, rephrase, improve. So these are the different options are available. So for example, I am going to explore this academic essay topic. So in this so you can give whatever the topic you want. So I am going to give machine learning algorithms and its applications. So like that I am going to give this one, machine learning algorithms and its applications. So you can choose whatever you want. Here you can choose the language you want. Next you can choose the maximum length, so whatever you want. So I am going to select it as 500. So creativity, whatever you want you can choose. Economic, good, whatever you want. Next tone, so I am going to choose it as a professional. So and then you can click on generate. So you will be given 1000 words for free. So you can make use of this option and you can generate the content. So as I have given only limited number of words, so it is generated even precisely the less number of words only. Here you can see machine learning are revolutionizing various sectors by enabling system to learn data and improve their performance over time. Key algorithms include decision trees, neural networks, support vector machines. So there's applications span from healthcare where ML aids in disease prediction, finance, optimizing trading strategies. So this is how the application has been generated using this academic essay. So it is very precise content and as a unique content generated by this particular tool. So next again I am going to a writer option. So you can choose academic. So you can explore whatever the template you want to according to your need. Next select writer option. So in this writer option, so you will be having different options like ebook, paragraph, story generator, book ideas, content improver. So this also very useful. This templates also very useful for us to write our research paper. So you can explore this template also. So other than this, you will be having different types of templates available. So you can choose any one of them according to your need. As far as our academic writing is concerned, so you can choose academic and writer option. So after that you can see unique options available are AI plagiarism. So you can copy and paste the text and you can analyze the text also. So thereby it will show you what is the level of plagiarism present in this particular content. Next AI director. So analyze, compare it with vast database online content to check AI writing. So whether it is writing or not, how much it is human like writing or highly human or likely human. So like that it will show you the AI direction in this particular content you have copied. So next important thing is that AI file chat. So this one is like chat with PDF like option. So you can upload your document and you can ask any questions with the document in order to analyze that particular content available in the document. Whenever you are doing literature review, so you can use this kind of options called file chat. So next one is AI web chat. So in this AI web chat you can just copy and paste or you can search any that is topic, and you can ask any question in this particular tool, that is particular website. You can attach any document here also. So whatever the document you can attach, you can ask images, whatever you want you can attach and ask any question related with that particular topic. So this is a web chat. So next one is a rewriter. So whenever your paper is subjected to plagiarism, so you can use this option called a rewrite option. So you can copy and paste the content here and you can rewrite the content. So next one is a chat. So here you can see that there are different chatbots are available. So this is a common AI chatbot. Next, finance expert, nutritionist, career counselor, cyber security expert, language tutor, time management consultant. So there are different options are available, and also chat image also available. So you can chat with image also. Just upload your image and you can chat with your image. So this is a normal chatbot, as like we are using in ChatGPT. You can ask any questions you want related with your topic, it will generate answer for you. So for example, I am going to give generate an outline for the research paper titled grid connected PV system for electric EV charging station. So like that you can give an input. So automatically this chatbot will analyze your input prompt. So accordingly it will generate a brief outline for you. So this is how you can use this kind of chatbot as like in many AI tools and generate a better content for your writing, academic writing. So this is how you can use this Witlly AI to generate a better content. So apart from this, you will be having AI code, AI YouTube, AI voice clone. So this will be very useful for YouTube videos, that is those who are making YouTube videos, especially with different voices. So you can use this option. So apart from this, you will be having affiliate support. So here you will be become an affiliate in this particular Witlly AI also. So as far as plans and pricing is concerned, so here you can see this plan. So it is $10 per month. So you will be given access for 164 templates. So you can access all the templates and you can avail this particular GPT-4o mini option. Next 75,000 word tokens. So next $30 per month you can use up to 1 lakh word tokens, and this is 3 lakh and 5 lakh word tokens. So according to your need you can use. So for free it will be given 1000 words and you can use 10 image tokens for free. So go on and explore this Witlly AI with your research prompts. So if it works out well for you, so you can you can go for subscription option. So hope this video will bring an aware about this AI tool. So you can explore even more familiar about the different templates. So it is having 164 templates, that is very important. So make use of this option and make your research paper writing simple and easy. So thank you for watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.